Jay Leno's car collection is the stuff of automotive dreams, packed with over 1,000 vehicles spanning decades of innovation, performance, and sheer automotive artistry. While many people know about his love for classic Duesenbergs, high-powered muscle cars, and cutting-edge hypercars, there are plenty of hidden gems in his garage that will leave even the biggest car enthusiasts speechless. From one-of-a-kind prototypes built in limited numbers to forgotten performance machines that once ruled the road, these cars are more than just collector's items. They're rare pieces of history, each with a unique story. Some are worth millions of dollars, while others are engineering marvels ahead of their time. Whether it's an obscure concept car, an unexpected off-road beast, or a groundbreaking electric vehicle from decades ago, Jay's collection proves that his love for cars goes far beyond the mainstream. Get ready to be amazed as we take a deep dive into 10 mind-blowing cars you never knew Jay Leno owned. Number 10, the 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado was already a revolutionary car, being the first front-wheel drive American vehicle since the Corvette 10. But in the hands of Jay Leno, it became something entirely different, an absolute monster with 1,000 horsepower hiding under a classic sleeper body. It was bold, innovative, and packed serious performance with its massive V8, making it a unique blend of engineering and muscle. However, in the hands of Jay Leno and his team, this classic cruiser was completely reimagined into an absolute monster, one that retains its vintage charm but hides a staggering amount of power beneath the hood. Leno's custom-built Toronado ditches its original front-wheel drive layout in favor of a rear-wheel drive conversion, allowing it to handle far more power than Oldsmobile ever intended. The stock engine was replaced with a twin-turbocharged 7.0-liter V8, cranking out an earth-shaking 1,000 horsepower. To support this immense power boost, the entire chassis and suspension were extensively modified, ensuring that this beast remains controllable at high speeds. The result is a muscle car that delivers supercar levels of performance while still looking deceptively stock. On the outside, Leno kept the classic, understated styling of the Toronado intact, preserving its sleeper appeal. The long, elegant body lines, hidden headlights, and signature fastback design remain untouched, giving no hints at the monstrous performance lurking within. The interior, however, has been tastefully upgraded with modern touches, blending vintage luxury with modern functionality, ensuring both comfort and control at insane speeds. This one-of-a-kind build transforms the Toronado from a historical oddity into a high-performance powerhouse, blending old-school muscle with cutting-edge engineering. It's a perfect example of how classic cars can be reimagined without losing their original character. What do you think? Should more vintage muscle cars undergo extreme transformations like this, or is it better to preserve them in their original form? Number 9, the 1925 Doble E-20 steam car is one of the most fascinating and advanced steam-powered automobiles ever built. At a time when gasoline engines were becoming dominant, the Doble brothers pushed the boundaries of steam technology, creating a car that was faster, more efficient, and far more refined than its competitors. Jay Leno, a well-known enthusiast of steam cars, considers the Doble E-20 one of the most remarkable engineering feats of the early 20th century. Unlike traditional steam cars that required long startup times, the Doble E-20 featured a flash boiler that could generate steam pressure in just a minute or two, far quicker than other steam-powered vehicles of the era. Its steam engine produced an impressive amount of torque, allowing it to accelerate faster than a Ford Model T despite its size and weight. The car could reach the speeds of over 90 miles per hour, an astonishing feat for a vehicle from the 1920s. Additionally, it required no gears or clutch, delivering a smooth and effortless driving experience. On the outside, the E-20 exudes the elegance of the 1920s with a luxurious, handcrafted body and intricate detailing. The interior is equally impressive, featuring high-quality materials and a level of refinement that rivaled the most prestigious cars of its time. Unlike early gasoline cars, which were noisy and rough, the Doble E-20 was nearly silent in operation, adding to its futuristic appeal. Jay Leno's appreciation for steam technology is evident in his meticulous care for this rare machine, showcasing how advanced steam power was before internal combustion engines took over. The Doble E-20 proves that innovation can come in unexpected forms, even from an era when steam was fading into history. Do you think steam-powered cars could have had a future, or was gasoline always destined to win? Number 8. The 1989 Bentley Turbo R is the perfect blend of old-world luxury and surprising performance, embodying the spirit of a true sleeper. While it may look like a traditional British luxury sedan, beneath its stately exterior lies a powerful, turbocharged V8 that delivers thrilling speed and complete comfort. Jay Leno, a fan of high-performance sleepers, appreciates the Turbo R for its ability to balance refinement with raw power. Under the hood, the Turbo R is powered by a massive 6.75-liter turbocharged V8, producing over 400 horsepower and an immense amount of torque. This gave it sports car-like acceleration, despite its nearly 3-ton curb weight. Unlike most Bentleys of its era, the Turbo R featured a reworked suspension and a firmer chassis, allowing it to handle corners with unexpected agility. The combination of brute force and composed handling made it one of the most exciting luxury sedans of its time. Leno's appreciation for the Bentley Turbo R highlights its unique appeal, an executive sedan with the heart of a performance car. It's a reminder that luxury and speed can coexist, even in a vehicle designed for quiet sophistication. What do you think? Should more luxury cars embrace this kind of hidden performance, or is comfort more important than speed in this class? Number 7. The 1963 Chrysler turbine car is one of the most fascinating and ambitious experiments in automotive history. Built as a glimpse into the future, Chrysler's turbine program aimed to revolutionize the car industry with jet engine technology. Only 55 of these futuristic machines were ever produced, and today, fewer than 10 remain intact. Jay Leno, a longtime admirer of unique engineering, owns one of the few surviving examples and considers it one of the most innovative cars ever built. At its core, the turbine car is powered by a jet engine that produces 130 horsepower and an impressive 425 pound-feet of torque. Unlike traditional piston engines, the turbine could run on a variety of fuels, including diesel, kerosene, and even tequila. However, while the engine was smooth and nearly vibration-free, it was far from fuel-efficient, burning through fuel at a rapid rate. The power delivery was seamless, and the lack of a traditional transmission meant there were no shifts, just a continuous surge of power. Though the turbine program was eventually scrapped due to high costs and emissions concerns, the Chrysler turbine car remains one of the most daring automotive experiments of all time. Leno's example serves as a reminder of what could have been a world where jet-powered cars roam the streets. Do you think Chrysler was ahead of its time, or was the turbine engine always destined to remain a dream? Number 6. The 1909 Baker Electric is a remarkable piece of early automotive history, proving that electric cars were a viable option long before the modern EV revolution. Built over 110 years ago, this elegant machine was designed for quiet, effortless driving, making it particularly popular among wealthy urban drivers of the era. Jay Leno, a fan of both historic and electric vehicles, often jokes that the Baker was the Tesla of its time, and in many ways, he's not wrong. Powered by a simple yet effective electric motor, the Baker Electric could travel up to 50 miles on a single charge, a range that rivaled many early gasoline-powered cars. It had a top speed of around 20 miles per hour, which was more than enough for city driving in the early 1900s. Unlike gas-powered cars that required hand cranking and emitted smoke, the Baker Electric was whisper-quiet, smooth, and incredibly easy to drive, making it especially appealing to women and wealthy professionals. Charging was done at home using standard electricity, much like today's EVs. Number 5. The 1930 Bentley 27-liter Meteor is one of the most outrageous automotive creations ever built. This isn't just a vintage Bentley, it's a fire-breathing monster powered by a 27-liter Rolls-Royce Meteor V12, an engine derived from the legendary Rolls-Royce Merlin that powered WT fighter planes like the Spitfire and P-51 Mustang. Jay Leno, known for his love of extreme and eccentric vehicles, considers this Bentley one of the wildest machines in his collection, and for good reason. The heart of this beast is the massive Rolls-Royce Meteor E-20, originally designed for military tanks and aircraft applications. Producing well over 1,000 horsepower and an earth-shaking amount of torque, this Bentley is less of a car and more of a land-bound aircraft. The sheer size of the engine dominates the front of the car, stretching the chassis to accommodate its immense proportions. Unlike modern performance cars that rely on turbos and electronics, the Meteor Bentley delivers raw mechanical power in its purest form. When it starts up, it sounds like a rolling thunderstorm, deep, guttural, and absolutely deafening. Number 4, the 1928 Bugatti. Type 37A is a masterpiece of pre-war automotive engineering, blending lightweight design, precision handling, and early forced induction technology. Built during an era when Bugatti dominated motorsports, the Type 37A was essentially a scaled-down version of the legendary Type 35, but with a more accessible yet still incredibly capable powertrain. Jay Leno, a longtime admirer of vintage race cars, considers it one of the best handling classic cars ever made, praising its balance, responsiveness, and timeless elegance. Visually, the Type 37A is a stunning example of classic race car aesthetics. The signature horseshoe grille, elegant flowing bodywork, and open-wheel design give it an unmistakable presence. The interior is pure function, with a simple yet artfully crafted dashboard, a thin wooden steering wheel, and minimalistic gauges that provide only the essentials. Sitting behind the wheel is like stepping back in time to an era when driving was pure and unfiltered. Even nearly a century later, the Bugatti Type 37A remains one of the finest vintage racing cars ever built. Its blend of power, agility, and craftsmanship continues to impress enthusiasts and collectors alike. Do you think modern sports cars have lost some of this mechanical purity? Or have they only improved on the magic that Bugatti started? Number 3. The 1966 Ford Galaxie 7-liter is a perfect example of when American automakers decided that muscle cars didn't have to be small and stripped down. They could be big, comfortable, and brutally powerful. Ford took the full-size Galaxie and stuffed a massive 7.0-liter FE8 under the hood, creating a high-performance cruiser that combined muscle car aggression with luxury car refinement. Jay Leno's pristine example showcases just how special this car was, maintaining its original charm while delivering serious power. Design-wise, the 7-liter had the same imposing, squared-off look as the standard Galaxie, but with subtle performance cues, like 7-liter badging and optional mag-style wheels. The long, wide body gave it undeniable presence, while the spacious interior featured bucket seats, a center console, and upscale trim options, making it feel more like a grand tourer than a drag racer. It was a car meant for both straight-line speed and comfortable long-distance cruising. Though often overshadowed by Ford's smaller, more famous muscle cars like the Mustang and Fairlane, the Galaxie 7-liter remains a hidden gem in the world of classic performance cars. It's a reminder that muscle doesn't always come in a small package. Sometimes it arrives in a full-size, luxury-wrapped powerhouse. Do you think today's automakers should bring back the idea of a true luxury muscle car? Or has the era of big V8 cruisers passed for good? Number 2, the 1934 Duesenberg Walker Coupe is the epitome of 1930s American luxury and performance, blending extravagant design with raw power. Built during the height of the Art Deco era, this one-of-a-kind Duesenberg was commissioned for a wealthy client who wanted the ultimate grand touring car. With its stunning streamlined bodywork, cutting-edge engineering, and unmatched prestige, it remains one of the most expensive and exclusive American cars ever made. Jay Leno, a longtime admirer of Duesenberg's engineering excellence, owns this unique masterpiece, making it one of the crown jewels of his collection. Under the hood lies a supercharged 420 cubic inch, 6.9-liter, straight-8 engine, producing an impressive 320 horsepower, an extraordinary figure for the 1930s. This made the Walker Coupe one of the fastest luxury cars of its time, capable of reaching speeds over 120 miles per hour. The engine's massive displacement, combined with the forced induction system, provided effortless acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it a true performance machine wrapped in an elegant package. Duesenberg's advanced chassis and suspension engineering ensured that it handled as well as it performed, setting new standards for high-performance luxury cars. Leno's Walker Coupe is truly one of a kind, a reminder of an era when money was no object in pursuit of automotive perfection. It showcases the brilliance of Duesenberg's craftsmanship and innovation, proving that American cars could rival the finest European marques. Do you think cars like this represent a lost art in automotive design? Or could modern luxury brands recapture this level of exclusivity and craftsmanship? Number 1. The 1969 Lamborghini Miura P400S is the car that redefined performance and style, effectively inventing the supercar as we know it today. When it debuted, nothing else on the road matched its combination of breathtaking design, cutting-edge engineering, and high-revving V12 power. Lamborghini took the radical step of placing the engine behind the driver, a move that would set the template for every supercar that followed. Jay Leno's perfectly restored Miura is a testament to the car's timeless appeal and groundbreaking innovation. At the heart of the Miura P400S is a 3.9-liter V12, producing 370 horsepower, allowing it to reach the speeds of over 170 miles per hour. Mind-blowing performance for the late 1960s. The engine is transversely mounted, an unusual layout that helped to keep the car compact and well-balanced. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the Miura delivered an engaging and visceral driving experience, with a spine-tingling exhaust note that made every drive feel like an event. The P400S model also featured upgrades over the original Miura, including improved brakes, revised suspension, and a more refined interior. Visually, the Miura is pure automotive art. Designed by Marcello Gandini for Bertone, its low-slung, curvaceous body, iconic headlights, and dramatic side air intakes make it look fast even when standing still. The cabin, while snug, was designed with elegance in mind, featuring premium leather, a driver-focused layout, and gauges beautifully integrated into the dashboard. Everything about the Miura exudes style, making it one of the most visually striking cars ever built. The Miura P400S isn't just a car, it's a revolution on wheels, the genesis of the modern supercar. Even today, it remains one of the most sought-after and admired classics, proving that great design and engineering are truly timeless. Do you think the Miura is still the most beautiful supercar ever made? Or has another car taken its crown? And that wraps up our deep dive into 10 of the most mind-blowing cars in Jay Leno's collection. Whether it's ultra-rare classics, powerful supercars, or futuristic concept vehicles, Leno's garage is more than just a place to store cars. It's a living, breathing tribute to automotive history. His passion for cars goes beyond just ownership. He restores, maintains, and even drives these rare machines, keeping automotive legends alive for future generations. It is incredible to think about the sheer variety of vehicles he owns, spanning over a century of engineering excellence. From the roaring muscle cars of the past to cutting-edge hypercars, each car in his collection has a unique story to tell. And what makes Jay Leno even more special is that he does not just lock these cars away, he takes them out on the road, proving that these machines were built to be driven, not just admired from afar. So, which of these hidden gems surprised you the most? Or do you know of another rare car in his collection that we should feature in the future? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from fellow car enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more deep dives into rare and legendary cars. We have plenty more amazing automotive content coming your way, so stay tuned.